Hello, good morning, period 9, or afternoon, depending on when you're at. Uh, so, again, I am doing the proctor testing. So, here are my directions for today's assignment on imperialism in India. I'm actually going to open up Google Doc. I tried to make it as straightforward as possible because I won't be around possibly while you're doing this. But if you have questions, email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So it starts off with a See, Think, Wonder chart or images of South Asia. Remember, we talked about the Mughal Empire way back in October, and I said that they were one of definitely the top five major world powers in 15 and 1600s. All right, so it'll complete the chart, and then we're going to be looking at how British imperialism unfolded in India. Kind of straightforward reading questions. Make sure where this term sepoy or sepoy. Right. And the only, through this part is pretty straightforward. Then we have this video clip here. A movie came out 2 years ago now. It's on Amazon Prime. I think it's definitely something worth watching in its entirety. From here, again, this part of the assignment is pretty straightforward. I tried to keep it simple. Here's where it's going to get a little different. So it says read over the 4 document sets. Be sure to use 3 of the 4 then when you complete this form. So here's each page now is a document set. So there's document set 1, document set 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So in order, after you read over them, you want to click on this link, and it'll bring you to the form, your name, and then you're going to answer this question. And again, when you're answering the question, make sure you use information from 3 out of those 4 document sets. All right. That is all for now. Take care and have a good one.